Hey guys, in this particular video I'm going to be demonstrating how to create a vector mask. I'm starting out with a path that was created around the body. So as far as this path goes, it's only selecting the body and not the hair. We talked about making selections for hair in another video. Um, so in the past, we talked about how you can use the path to turn it into a selection and use that selection for a layer mask. So there's a couple of ways to go about doing this. One is to go up to the upper right here on the options arrow and then choose make selection. When the dialog box opens up, you can choose your feather radius, whether you want it as a new selection, add, subtract, or intersect, and go ahead and hit OK. I'm going to leave the feather radius at 0 for right now. And if we wanted to turn this into a layer mask, all we have to do is go back to the layer panel and click on the little shortcut at the bottom. That will go ahead and create the mask and knock out the background. And you'll see how it's a nice clean edge around here. It's a little pixelated because it's a lower res file. Uh, there's a little bit of background still showing here, and we'd want to remove that. Now, if we were working with a layer mask, we have a couple of options. We can take the brush and we can paint to erase that area. But if we have a nice clean selection like we do, or edge that is, that we do from the path that was created, all we'd have to do is go back to the path and edit the path itself. So once it's clicked on, I can select the points and then push them back into place. For this, we'd have to reload the selection back in, invert it, and then erase with the brush. It's not too difficult to do that, but another way to work is to use the vector mask. So as far as the vector mask goes, same sort of process. I'm going to go back to the channels panel, or excuse me, the layers panel, and I'm going to remove that layer mask and delete it. So once again, beginning with the path, you can go up to your layer menu, and in the past we have used the layer mask option, but directly below that is a vector mask option. So in here you have three options to choose from: reveal all, hide all, or current path. Since I have my existing path selected, I'm going to choose the current path option. What this is going to do is it's going to load in the vector mask and it's going to erase the background, same as the layer mask did. Uh, Except that now that I want to clean this area up, so I'm going to select those points, and all I have to do now is, first of all, make sure that you are on the mask, select the points, and then simply move those points into place, and it will automatically erase the background. So you can go around through the rest of your image and check it out. There's some here that could use a little adjusting. I could simply, again, grab those points and pull them down, and that's it. It's very simple to work with. Now, it's not going to work for every image. Um, you may have to use a combination of both the layer mask and the vector mask, which of course you can do. All you have to do is go back to the layer and either click on the shortcut at the bottom or go up to the layer menu and choose the add layer mask. So I'll just click on this and show you that you can have a combination of both layer mask and a vector mask at the same time. So I'll just take the brush and show you that you can still erase, switch color, and bring back if necessary. So there you have it. Good luck with this, and I'll talk to you in another video.